Back to webmasterlessons.com on how to create a basic website template. Basically what I did is I just created a video which was about 12 minutes long, and I couldn't upload it to YouTube, so it's more in detail. I'm just gonna explain briefly what I did. If you want to watch that video, just go to webmasterlessons.com, click on HTML lessons, and you'll see part 5, and then it'll have a little note on the side, the non-YouTube part 5. So basically what I did was I focused on the right side of the template, right, on the tables. And what I did is I added more tables. I added 3 more tables. And the way I did that is I first and foremost, let me clear something up. There was a line right there, and then there was little bullets. I deleted all that. And before I get into how I created those tables, I want to tell you what I did. So I deleted those lines I created in the past video, and then I added the spread 4 column 4 rows, and that's considered my sitemap. So this is where I put like more links to direct people to the other part of my site, and that could be located under the footer, right? And I would italicize it, probably make it the smallest text, and yeah, and keep it bullets. And then one thing I did under that, I created another table. As you can see, I'm working with nothing but tables, and I created a table. I centered that table, right? I centered the table. I put at and copy my website 2010 center, and that's what it came out to be, right? So back to the main part of that template was what I did is I went to insert table, and what happened was I go to percent, I click 100%, and then I pressed OK. And right when I pressed OK, let me go back to that. I went to table. I also created a self spacing of 6. So this is what you would do, right? Once you do that, it'll bring one huge it'll span that 100% table. Then I right click, right? I when I right click, I hold on, excuse me guys. When I right click, I clicked on tables, and I split the cell, and it's gonna ask me 2 rows 2 columns, and then I created another column. Then I did that once more, and then I created another column. So this is where my ads is gonna be, and then this is where more content on my website is gonna be. But what I did, you see the difference? This is in the middle, and this is actually progressing to line by line, because this will only stay in the middle, and it's gonna look horrible. So this is gonna be my ads. So what I did is I went here, I went to insert once again, and when I went to insert, I when I went to insert, I did the same thing. I go to table, and when I went to table, I did the same thing. 1 row 980, 100% and cell spacing of 6. Then I pressed OK, and then after that I wrote inside, and I put some break tags. And like I said, if you want to see how I did that, just go to webmasterlessons.com and click on HTML videos, and click on the non-YouTube part 5. And also, let me show you the published version. This is the published version of the website. As you can see, it's not all that great, but it's how to actually structure the website the proper way. So over here would be my ads, over here would be more content, over here would be the more content, and as well as my links. And over here, this big red blob is where I would have my you can say sitemap. So this is actually how you really build a well-structured website template. And what you can do is just be really creative if you want, and design it as you want, and just follow the table structures and understand the concepts of that, and you'll be just fine. And if you have any questions, need any help, just let me know. Mike at webmasterlessons.com. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you want to learn how to make a template dynamic, stay tuned and check out my PHP video lessons. Alright, have a great day everybody. Bye bye.